If you could take your hair and pull out little pieces like this, then it's shedding. That's something that I've experienced with these little blue parts, with these little green bluish parts right here. When you over process your hair, you just over process it. That's it. There's not anything you can do to fix it.
It's just like what those people say, you need a trim, you can't close up the ends, you can't repair, you just need a trim.
So that's the same thing is true for here, but if you want to slow down the shedding, like if you want to reduce the shedding so that you can be as cute as possible for as long as possible, I'm going to show you how. Stay tuned. Okay, so this looks like it's enough water. And honey, I have all of these. When you go to hair shows, you know, you get all of these little packets, and they're like leave-in conditioners and protein treatments and all of that stuff. So I'm just gonna pick one of these, and really what I'm looking for it to have inside for the ingredients are protein. So like hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed hydrolyzed some kind of protein. Okay, found one with hydrolyzed keratin in it. It is argan and macadamia deep leave-in conditioner. Just squeeze it in. Okay, and then look at what's in there. It's really not a lot, so I feel like it's really, whatever is in it, it's not going to be as bad with it being diluted with water, you know. Then this is really for all the people that hate putting products in their locks. But then again, you know, if you hate putting products in your locks, you're probably not coloring your locks, you know. So if you are coloring them, you sort of kind of need a buffer, you know. So you shake that up. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your beauty. Pieces seem to be mixed up pretty good, and then you just spray it. Now you make this your daily moisturizer because you know you didn't did it in with your hair. Oh, okay, so the bottle not gonna work. Oh, it smells delightful. I'm actually gonna put more water in it. Now, all right, don't forget the other side. There we go. It looks delicious, honey. Delicious. Okay, arms. Got some arms on me. Okay. So that's that. Now you look good. My bed in the way, otherwise I would show you my booty. Yeah, so that's that.
Master of the sun, memories falling on concrete, leaving no behind. Now you swear to be my enemy, victim of your cards. I'm running in the dark, Avenger into night.